Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly interesting for you. A full, in-depth review of the 2025 Suzuki Mehran. That's right, Suzuki has brought back one of the most iconic and controversial cars in Pakistan's automotive history. The Mehran is back, and it's got a new look, some surprising upgrades, and a lot to talk about. So buckle up, and let's dive into everything this car has to offer. Starting from the outside, the 2025 Mehran has undergone a significant facelift. Gone is the boxy, bare-bones shell that became so familiar over the years. Suzuki has clearly attempted to modernize the exterior with a sleeker design. The front grille now features a more contemporary honeycomb pattern, flanked by redesigned headlamps that include halogen projectors with optional LED DRLs in the higher trims. The bumper is more sculpted, giving the front end a more aggressive and modern look. Moving along the sides, you'll notice subtle body lines that give the car a bit more character than its predecessor. It's still a compact hatchback, but the proportions feel more balanced this time. Suzuki has added 13-inch alloy wheels in the VXR Plus variant, while the base model sticks to steel rims with wheel caps. Door handles and side mirrors are body-colored on higher trims, while the base model keeps it simple with black plastic fittings. At the rear, the changes are modest but effective. The taillights have a new layout with a more contemporary lens design, and there's a high-mounted brake light integrated into the spoiler. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where the Mehran surprises the most, at least, if you're comparing it to the old model. Suzuki has clearly taken feedback into account. The cabin is still basic, but noticeably more refined. You now get a dual-tone dashboard with textured plastic surfaces that feel more pleasant to the touch. There's a simple infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen available in the VXR Plus variant, offering Bluetooth connectivity, USB input, and even support for Android Auto in some markets. The base model, however, is stripped down, offering just a basic stereo. Seating is improved with better cushioning and slightly more legroom thanks to optimized interior space. The rear bench is still best suited for 2 adults and a child, but it's more comfortable than before. Suzuki has added front power windows in the VXR variant and manual ones in the base model. There's central locking, basic fabric upholstery, manual air conditioning, and even a digital instrument cluster in the top trim that gives real-time fuel efficiency and trip data. Now let's talk performance, probably the area where the Mehran has seen the most skepticism. Under the hood, the 2025 model carries a newly tuned 800cc 3-cylinder FE engine. It's still a basic engine designed for economy, but Suzuki claims improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The engine produces around 42 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and for the first time, Suzuki is offering an optional AMT automated manual transmission in the higher trim. On the road, the Mehran is built for city driving. It won't win any races, but it's lightweight, maneuverable, and easy to park. Fuel efficiency is where the car shines. In city driving, you can expect around 18 to 20 kilometers per liter, and on the highway, that can go up to 22 kilometers per liter under optimal conditions. This makes it one of the most economical options in its segment. Suspension is still on the softer side, which is great for tackling potholes and speed breakers, but handling at high speeds is average. Don't expect precision cornering, but for the urban commute, it does the job. Braking has been improved slightly, with front disc brakes now standard across all variants, while the rear retains drum brakes. There's no ABS in the base model, but the VXR Plus does offer basic electronic brake force distribution. Safety is still minimal. Dual airbags are available only in the top trim. There's no traction control, lane assist, or other advanced driver aids. That's something to keep in mind if safety is your top priority. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is being marketed as an entry-level budget car, and it comes in 3 main variants. The base VX model starts at approximately 1.6 million Pakistani rupees, which makes it one of the most affordable new cars on the market. The mid-range VXR version goes for around 1.8 million Pakistani rupees, and the top-of-the-line VXR Plus is priced at roughly 2 million Pakistani rupees. Given the features and fuel economy, it offers decent value for first-time buyers or those looking for a no-frills daily driver. To wrap it up, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is still very much a budget vehicle, but it's no longer the bare-bones machine it once was. Suzuki has modernized the look, added enough creature comforts to make it livable, and kept the running costs low. It's not perfect, especially in the safety department, but for the price, it offers practicality and reliability, which is exactly what many people want in this segment. If you're someone who needs an affordable, fuel-efficient car for city use with minimal maintenance, the new Mehran is worth considering. But if you're looking for a more refined experience or top-notch safety features, you might want to look a segment higher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the new Mehran in the comments below. Would you buy it, or is it a step back? Let us know. Catch you in the next one.